Good day, everyone, and also to you, ma'am. My name is Princess Racy Manigos. Today, I'll be discussing the 5 important values. Number 1, respect. Number 2, responsibility. Number 3, fairness. Number 4 is caring. Last is citizenship. So, the continuation of the last and the respect is tolerance. Tolerance, an ethical person accepts individuals' differences and beliefs and judge others only on their character. So, this means tinatanggap mo ang differences ng ibang tao and hindi mo sila ginajudge agad. And, example, may kaklase ka na iba yung religion or opinion. Kahit you, hindi kayo same, you still respect them and hindi ka nakikipag-argue o nakikipag-away. So the next is number 3 is responsibility. Life is full of choices, and being responsible means being in charge of our choices and therefore our lives. So this means accountable ka sa action mo on your own choices. So the first in responsibility is the accountability. Accountability, an accountable person is not a victim and it doesn't shift blame or claim credits for the work of others. Ibig sabihin, ang accountable na tao hindi na shift ng blame or kumukuha ng credit sa work ng iba. Example is, late ka sa klase, nagising ka na late. Instead na magsisinungaling ka, you admit na kasalanan mo na late ka nagising at late ka natulog. Next is pursuit of excellence. Pursuit of excellence. The excellence has an ethical dimension when others rely upon our knowledge, ability, or willingness to perform tasks safely and effectively. So this means doing your best, especially kapag umaasa sa iyo ang iba. Example is leader ka sa group project. So you make sure na organize ang work and complete ang outputs. So the next is diligence. Diligence, responsible people are reliable, careful, and prepared and informed. So ibig sabihin, responsible people are careful, prepared, and reliable. Example is nag-aaral ka before ang exam. Hindi nga nag-study ka lang pagkaga ng exam. So that's called cramming. So the next is perseverance. Responsible people finish what they start, overcoming rather than surrendering obstacles and excuses. So, ibig sabihin, you finish what you start kahit na may obstacles. Example is, nahihirapan ka sa math problem, pero tinapos mo pa rin instead of giving up. So, next is continuous improvements. Responsible people look for a way to to work better. Meaning, you always look for a way to do better. Example is, mababa yung score mo sa last mo nga quiz. So, nag-review para makabawi ka sa next na quiz. So, the next is naman is self-restraint. Responsible people exercise self-control, restraining passion and appetites such as lust, hatred, gluttony, greed, and fear. So, ibig sabihin, controlling your emotion and desire like anger, greed, or fear. Example is, nainis ka sa kaklase mo, pero pinili mo pa rin yung manahimik instead of shouting. Next is the number 4 is fairness. It's a tricky concept. Disagreeing party tends to maintain that there is only one fair position, their own, but while some situation is and decisions are clearly unfair, fairness usually refers to range of moral, justifiable outcomes rather than discovery of one fair answer. Fairness is a bit tricky kasi minsan people disagree on what is fair. But generally, it means making decisions that are morally right, not just what favors you. So next is process. A fair person uses open and unbiased processes for gathering and evaluating information necessary to make decisions. So fair people do not wait for the truth to come into them. They seek out relevant information and conflicting perspective before making important decision. So, ibig sabihin, a fair person uses upon unbiased process when making decisions. Hindi siya naghihintay lang he or she looks for information and different perspective. So, for example is, may dalawa ka kaklase na nag-away, so pinakinggan mo both side bago ka mag-judge. So the next is impartiality. Decision shall be unbiased without favoritism or prejudice. Ibig sabihin, decision shall be without favoritism or bias. Example is ikaw yung leader. And kahit friend mo yung isa, you still choose the member na mas deserve based sa effort. Like kung maghimo sa activity. So, imbis nga hatagan mo ang best ang ratings, ang hindi mo sang friend kay hindi man siya naghatag sang effort. So ang hindi mo friend amo man tong gahatag effort, so amo tong imo nga hatagan sang tama nga grade. Lastly is equity. It is important not to take advantage of weakness, disadvantage of ignorance in others. Fairness requires that individuals, company, or society corrects mistake promptly and involuntarily. This means hindi mo inaabuso ang weaknesses ng iba and you correct mistake properly. For example is, you have a group mates na nahirapan sa iban nga subject. So, ginabuligan mo siya instead na pabayaan na lang. So, next is, number 5 is caring. Caring is the heart of ethics. It is scarcely possible to be truly ethical and not genuinely concerned with the welfare of others. That is because ethics is ultimately about our responsibility towards other people. Sometimes we must hurt those we care for the some decision while quite ethical to cause pain, but one should be consciously cause no more harm than reasonably necessary. So, meaning, caring is the heart of the ethics, meaning genuinely caring about welfare of others. Sometimes we need to balance caring, truth-based. Some decision may hurt others, but we should not cause more harm than necessary. Example is, napansin mo na tahimik yung friend mo, so kinamusta mo siya and offer support. But sometimes, caring means making hard right decision. Example is, sinabihan mo yung friend mo na mali ang ginagawa niya but in a kind and respectful way. So, the last is citizenship, number 5. The concept of citizenship includes how we ought to behave as part of the community. The good citizen knows the law and obeys them, but they also volunteer and stay informed the issues of the day. So, this means about how we behave as part of the community. A good citizen knows how follow the laws, but also volunteers and stay informed. Example is, sumasali ka sa cleanup drive sa school or sa barangay and sumusunod ka sa mga traffic rules and iba pang mga rules diri sa aton nga community. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.